Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to talk about an important topic. So guys, when we go to a destination, a different country, it's very important for us to get a local SIM card so that we can not only stay connected, but we can also avoid a very expensive international roaming fee. So USA is a very popular travel destination, no doubt. People from all around the world visit this country every year for various reasons. Now, when you travel to USA, having a USA travel SIM card definitely helps you during the journey. So now, how can you get it? One option is like when you land at your airport or you cross the land border, you can go to the nearby shop. Even at airport, you have like SIM shops, SIM kiosks where you can get the SIM card. But what if you can get it before you get even to USA? Yes, it is possible. Some of you may say that it's not possible or how it is, but I'm going to share my experience with you. So I purchased this product a few days back when I went to USA. I had ordered it from Amazon and it came with the package. Like you can see, they have various packages. So based on your travel uh, um, duration, you can select the one that suits you, and also read the terms and condition carefully, like what they are offering. So like which calls they are offering, how much data they are offering, and all other details, how to activate, when to activate. So I activated before I entered USA, and the moment I reached the land border, the moment I got the message welcome to USA, my SIM was active, and it made my journey much simpler. Like compared to if I would have crossed the border and I would have gone to a mobile shop and have purchased a SIM card, rather than that, have purchasing a SIM card from Amazon made my life much simpler. So this is the package that I had purchased, and it was excellent, like excellent coverage. I have got everything, was so simple. And personally recommend this. Like I'm not anywhere associated with this store that is selling this on Amazon, but the way the service was provided and my requests were addressed was amazing. I really like their customer service, and the way this SIM card worked in USA, like I really enjoyed my trip without any hesitation about paying too much for my data and other things. So if you're traveling to USA, like I would suggest you get it from Amazon. I purchased from this store and it helped for me, but again, as I said, I'm not an associated guy for this store, so it's up to you which one you purchase. This is just my suggestion. Get a SIM card. From where and how, it's your call. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.